time, they still want to do like legitimate things. Like, I love to do movies. I would love to do TV. They want to do things that pay them less money than they do being a YouTube star.
Yeah. Really?
YouTube pays a lot of money now. Like, if you're a big, like, Logan Paul type dude,
yeah,
he makes a shitload of money on YouTube.
How though? Like, who fucking pays him? Like, who signs his check?
Advertisements. Crazy. And then there's people like PewDiePie.
All right. Let's do this. Totally fine. Awesome. Thank you for your help. Have a great day. Thank you. Am I really doing this? I mean, really? A saw from Lowe's? A tile saw produced by Lowe's? A Kobalt tile saw? Pull it together, let's do this. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I did. I took the blue pill.
This is your last chance. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe.
Not the orange pill. What I have in my hands today to unbox, to test and demonstrate how it cuts tile is this. The Kobalt by Lowe's 10-inch full-size wet tile saw. Let me show you what we got here. There we are, guys. Kobalt 10-inch sliding tile saw with stand. Now we're gonna unbox this. I'm gonna test it out, see how well it performs. Let's quickly show you what is included here. We've got a 10-inch Kobalt saw. Now, a couple of cool features about this saw right off the bat: gravity stand, okay? Now keep in mind, this is a $500 tile saw. I'm wondering if you get the bang for your buck. It can rip 24-inch tiles, diagonally cut 18-inch, plunge, extension trays, laser. It's got a light as well. Laser and LED work lights, variable speed motor. That's gonna be interesting to check out. Includes a blade, water pump, and tools. So, here we go. Kobalt 10-inch full-size wet tile saw. The question is, does it suck? I don't know. Let's open it up, put it together, and find out. Here we go. Now, I won't bore you with assembly, so I'll speed this up really fast. Now that's nice. The gravity stand is assembled other than the wheels. Come on, Lackmont Beast. Get with the program, guys. This will be easy assembly. Believe it or not, I am already absolutely impressed with this tile saw. It took me less than 15 minutes to assemble. It includes a gravity stand that's already assembled. I mean, Lockmon Beast, come on, get with the program, guys. Quick assembly time. It's got some really cool, unique features. We'll talk about that right now, and then we'll show you the tile that we're gonna cut, fill this thing with water, and see how well it performs. So check out these unique little design features. So here's the saw. It has a close resemblance to the Lockmon Beast. I mean, the trays look very similar height. The gravity stand looks similar as well. So here are the unique features on this 10-inch Kobalt. $500 tile saw with the gravity stand, includes a blade and pump. So one feature is obviously this very convenient gravity stand feature. I can lower this with one hand, and you don't need to remove the trays for the gravity stand. Let me show you this here. The back tray folds up so that you can use the gravity stand with all of the overspray trays on. So that's one unique feature. Gravity stand makes it very easy to maneuver from location A to location B. Also right here, it has an LED light that shoots light down onto the material. It also has a laser to guide you through your cut. And it also has a GFI at the cord. Impressive. And another neat feature right here is a diverter. It'll divert the pump and the water to this cleaning nozzle so that you can spray off the table, or you can divert it, obviously, to the blade so that it can spray and cool off the blade. So I think that's a pretty neat feature right there. So, and again, this saw has all of the other features all of the other tile saws have. You've got a plunge option here, so you can plunge down into the tile. It also can miter cut at 22.5 as well as 45. So lots of extension trays to contain the water. So far so good, Kobalt. Let's fill you up, plug you in, and cut some tile. Here's the tile that we're gonna cut right over here. We've got a hard, high gloss porcelain. We're going to draw a line on this 4-foot, 48-inch porcelain plank and see how straight it cuts. We'll also test it on some glass, as well as 1/2-inch, very, very hard porcelain. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, so here is the saw. I squared up the blade, as you can see, kind of something you want to do with every new tile saw. We're looking good right there. Quick little bolt adjustment right here. It was off just a little bit, but blade's all squared up. Let's fill it up with some water. Let's turn it on and see how well the pump performs here. Good amount of spray. Let's check this out really quick. This is your spray nozzle to clean off the tray. Turn the diverter. That's a great feature. All right, let's get right to it. Cut some tile. We're gonna start with the smaller tile and move up from there. 1/2-inch, very hard porcelain tile. Not a bad cut. I can feel the blade. The blade is a bit weak and cheap. Now we'll try some glass. We've got a 4x12 piece of glass here, 3/8 of an inch thick. Here we go. Want to point something out to you really quick here. So here is the LED light. Not sure if you can see that, but it'll light up the material. Here is the red laser. I've already tested the accuracy of the laser, and yes, it is accurate. Let's cut this glass. And there you go. This saw is impressive. It's cutting so well. Let's put it to the test. Miter cut, hard, 3/8 of an inch, high gloss porcelain tile. Very good miter. I'm impressed. I chipped it here. I was pressing the material through the blade a little too fast, but... And then up here, I cut a little too close to the edge of the glaze. Quick way to fix that. Diamond pad. There you go. Mitered porcelain on the Kobalt. All right, final test, guys. 4-foot porcelain plank. I've got my line. I'm gonna butt this against the fence, cut, see how straight it'll cut this line. Here we go. I have here a scrap piece of foam backer board, my DIY tile saw rip table extension. Use a speed square for this type of long rip. At first, I was a little concerned when I was going off the line that much, and then came to the quick conclusion that human error. I marked it incorrectly. Let's take a look with the tape measure. 4 inches. And about a 1/16 under 4 inches. So it rips a 4-foot plank somewhat decent. It's about a 1/16 of an inch off. Not bad at all. All right, guys, I will be the first to admit this tile saw surpassed my expectations. Kobalt by Lowe's. Right off the bat, this can be for a DIYer or a professional, without a doubt. A lot of positives here. Nice smooth tray, holds 5 gallons of water, can plunge, can miter, can spray out the table with a spray nozzle, laser and LED, which you can see during the day, GFI on the cord, a variable speed motor. I think this is a first for tile saws. A lot of extension trays for water containment. An amazing gravity stand, which makes it super convenient to move from point A to point B. And that's pretty much it, guys. You get a lot for $500. A very nice tile saw by Lowe's, by Kobalt. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Now, one important thing I forgot to mention. This is a variable speed motor. I'm not quite sure if this is the only wet tile saw with a variable speed motor, but I had it on low, hence the chipping a bit on the first cut. When I pumped it up to high, it was cutting much cleaner. So I don't know, guys, tell me why you would need a variable speed motor for a tile saw, but let me show you here real quick. Again, another nice, unique feature.